Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game. Crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. One of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open the PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect sense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next solution is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings and click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game and then click on restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, select update using system software. Finally, select update using internet option. Next method is to reinstall Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Rune Factory Guardians of Azuma game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across, and after that you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video.